Hey guys, it's Tarek with Cyclone FPV, and today, let me switch screens here and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. So today we're going to be doing a motor test for used motors that I'm going to be selling on the website here, okay? And what I've done is, I've numbered, I've numbered the bag. So here you're going to see the number 1, and then beside it you're going to see the price, okay? So these are going to be the prices these are going to go for. 1 is going to refer to the first set of motors. First set of motors is going to be the Lumineer. And let me just read this off here. So these are going to be the Lumineer 2206 2450 kV motors. And bear with me on this one. I believe I've got all the wires cleaned off here, so we should be able to rock and roll. But in case there's any issues, just have some patience. I'm going to clip these on. And this is a servo tester setup that I came up with. Some of you have already seen it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically be testing the motors. And to do that, I'm going to turn on the servo. And you're going to see it spin. We're going to turn it off, and that motor spins fine. So we're going to go to the next motor. If you do need a setup like this, the servo stuff, I've got it all on the website at CycloneFPV.com. Just check it out. It's really helpful if you need to be testing your motors. It takes nothing but a second to do. I just added these alligator clips this morning. I've had a little bit of problem with them because sometimes they're not making the best connection to the wire. But, all right, motor 2, good. So what we're going to do is we're going to test all 4 motors. I know the motors work. I've already tested them, but I want to show you guys as the consumer so you can feel confident that you're not going to be getting something that doesn't work. Because all sales are final, it is sold as is. All right? I'm losing all my connections here, getting a little weak, but let me make sure I can get there. We go. Okay. Motor's good. Motor 3 is good. And the alligator clip here was the last minute decision. I will try to come up with something better down the road for a final model that I'm making, but for right now, let's just use this to get through it. And so we will go 1, 2, and then 3. And there we go, motor 4, spinning. Okay, and so there you have it. So we have 1 set of these motors from Lumineer. And again, I keep forgetting what the specs are on it, but these are the 2206 9450. Oh my gosh, 2206 2450 kVs, and these are going to be in bag number 1, and they are $25 for the set of 4. Buying them used, sold as is, but they are running and they do appear to be in good condition. These are basically my test motors, so at least hopefully you can trust that they haven't been too abused, since you know I don't get to fly that much anymore. All right, bag number 2 is going to be a set of Emax, the race spec 2205. Now, I don't know, let me check which ones these are. These are going to be 2205, 2300 kVs. So this is going to be the S series, the higher end series of the 2205s. And let's just go ahead and get these tested real quick. So we'll go 1, 2, and 3. I need to make sure I have good connections here. Bear with me a second. I think my alligator clips are hating me right now. And I'm kind of hating them too. I think my ESC is also very low powered. All right, so there we go. I am running a 6 amp ESC, so it is not necessarily made for these higher end, but that one's good. And we're going to go to the next one. Try to get a good connection here. I'm sure that with the length of the wires, I'm losing some good signal here too. Motor 2, good. I'll have to measure the output amps when I'm done here. Here I'm thinking I got a great idea, but now I'm realizing that I think I've got too much resistance on the line. But again, this is just for a quick test of motors that I do know already work, but I feel like I owe you to at least show you these. Motor 3. And just to give you an example, if I take the motor and I plug it directly to the machine here, like I'll show you here in just a second, to give you, just to set your mind at ease that it's not the motor, but it is in fact the way I've done this. Well, we'll take the one we just did, because this one, at least you've seen this one already run. Now, if I plug it directly, I gotta line this up properly, but if I can get this to just line up without these wires flying all over the place. 1, 2, 3. Motor starts up immediately. So there's obviously the wiring is too long, most likely, but I don't mind kick-starting it here by just spinning it real quick. Give it a little oomph. All right, so this would be the fourth motor in the set. Okay, and it's good. So there you go. This is going to be bag number 2 of motors. The Emax 2205 2300 S series race spec motors are going to be $25. Is that what I put there? Yeah, 25 bucks. And that'll be for set number 2, for bag number 2. So you'll see those, and you can buy those for $25. You will pay shipping. Actual shipping probably on these is going to be about $3, I guess. Whatever. I don't know, maybe less. Let's go to bag number 3. Is going to be the DYS. I think these are 2700 series. I'm not sure, but let me check. These are going to be the DYS 2600 kV Fire series. So we'll go ahead and knock this out real quick. 1, 2, and 3. Motor 1, good. And then we'll do motor 2. Motor 2, good. That's my phone ringing, if in case you can hear that. I don't know if that's coming across on the microphone or not. Everybody needs to just kind of wait a minute, and I will get back to you, I promise. All right, motor 3. Oops, I see those are touching. That's my bad. There we go. Motor 3 is good. Accidentally let the alligator clips there touch. And then motor 4, which has a shortened wire, so this just be advised that this is more for, I think I connected this one to test directly to an ESC on a build, and that's why the wire is considerably shorter. But let's go ahead and do that one. All right. Motor 4 is good. And so these ones are going to go, this is bag number 3 of the DYS, and these are going to go for 20 bucks. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so put that aside. That's bag number 3. Let me find room for this. Okay, and then we're going to go to bag number 4, which is the T motors. These are going to be 50, so please understand that, yes, the pricing does go up. These are F40 Pro 2 2600 kVs, I believe. F40 Pro 2 2600 kVs, yep. And let me go ahead and put these on. 1, 2, and let's get the black one here, 3. Okay. Oops, the red one fell off, so give me a second. Motor 1's good. If I could just get these to sit right here, this would be so much quicker. But I'm actually not in too much of a hurry. I just want to show you guys that we have good motors. Forget it. I'll just keep doing what we're doing here. All right, so we're going to do motor 2 right now. Two's good. All right, motor 3. Motor 3 is good. And we're going to do motor 4. All right. Now again, if you guys need any help making your own motor tester, let me know. It just takes a few items. Motor 4 is good. So there you go with your T-Motor F40 Pro 2 2600 kV motors. Again, these ones are going to be 50 bucks. So it'll be like 12 something a piece. but there you go. All right, so $12.50, I guess, a piece. All right, so that's bag number 3. No, wait, that was bag number 4. Now we're gonna go to bag number 5, which is just gonna be a standard set of Emacs. And I'll tell you if these are 23 or 2600 series. These are gonna be Emacs 2205, 2300 KVs. Okay, and so here we go. One, 2, and 3. Okay. Oops, they're touching, my bad. Hold on. Hold on, this is my fault. I apologize. Wires aren't sticking very good, so let me just get that screw that holds them. Yeah. Okay, motor 1. Maybe it's just better if I put them on the table like that. 1. All right. Then we'll go motor 2. Let me see, my phone is buzzing like people are going crazy. What's going on? All right. What's it? Okay. Guys, just give me a second. Okay, 2, and then we're gonna go to motor 3. All right, and now we'll do motor 4. Okay, there we go. So that's good. So that's going to be bag number 5. That's going to be the Emacs 2205 2300 KVs. All right, so let me put those up. And those are going to be $20 for the set of 4. All right, let me set that aside. So that's bag number 5. And have I done a 6 yet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what I got. I don't think, oh, here. I did do a 6. That was the bag for $20. That's another Emacs. But those are 2205, and I think these were 26. Yeah, these are 2600 KVs. Okay, so that set of motors, I still have more. I've got some T motors to do. Let me switch screens here real quick. Okay, so the idea behind this, I know this video is probably kind of boring, but number 1 was to show you guys the setup here. This is a really great setup. You can obviously add a more powerful ESC so you don't have any resistance issues. The problem is I'm going to use this same tester for smaller motors, and so I didn't want to mess with it, and I don't mind any of the issues that I had with it as far as having to just kind of jump start the motor, I guess. But in either case, so if you need anything like that, let me know. It's real easy. Like I said, the parts are online on our website. I've got them in stock. We can ship it out to you. I do have about 5 more sets of used motors, and then I'm going to be doing some VTX testing on the same setup here. I'll be doing some VTX, some cameras and stuff to start moving the used items out, but I want to make sure that I show you that they work. And that way, when I say all sales are final, they are final. Do not ask me to take anything back because you burned it out or because you changed your mind. They're being sold at a big discount, and part of that is so I can move them out and make room for new stuff, guys. I'm not turning my back on y'all, but in order for you to get a price like that, I've got to know that I have showed you they work and we're done, and now you guys can enjoy them. Okay? If you have any questions, hit me up, Tarek at CycloneFPV.com. Check out the website, check out Facebook. And if you have any questions about anything, just let me know, and I'll help you out as best I can. All right, guys, y'all take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.